You wake up and see it again. Same plates, same clothes, same corner you've been about to fix for 3 days. You already know what needs to happen. Pick it up, wash it, done. So why are you still lying there? You're not confused. You're stuck. And yeah, this is where people say something stupid like, just be disciplined. That's not what's happening here. Because this isn't about cleaning. It's about your brain refusing to start. It's not one task. It's 50, and your brain just checked out. Let me say it clean. No, actually, let me say it real. You don't have a cleaning problem, you have a starting problem. And here's the part that messes you up. You care, a lot, like more than people think. You think about fixing it all the time. Why can't I just do it? So what do? You grab your phone, scroll, watch, delay. Not because you're lazy, because your brain just found something easier than thinking. Let me explain something nobody tells you. Every object in your room is a decision. Trash, keep, move, ignore. Your brain has to answer all of them. And now comes the part that really screws you. Perfection. You don't want it clean, you want it right. Organized, reset, fresh start. So if you can't do it properly, your brain says, why bother? So you do nothing. All or nothing, and you keep choosing nothing. Now step outside your room. You go to work, school, anywhere, and suddenly you function. You show up, you finish tasks, you act normal. People would never guess. That's the split. Public you works, private you is drowning, and nobody sees it. So they simplify it. You're messy. And here's something even darker. You stop letting people in. No visitors, no surprise drop-ins, no I'll come over, because they'll see. And once they see, they'll judge. So you isolate, not because you hate people, because you don't want to be exposed. Now your world shrinks to the size of your mess, and your mess keeps growing. Yeah, perfect. Let's talk about something most people ignore. Some of this started way before now. If you grew up in chaos, noise, mess, no structure, your brain learned this as normal. No system, no routine, no this goes here. So now, as an adult, you're trying to build a system you were never shown, from scratch, while already overwhelmed. Of course it's breaking, and sometimes it's deeper. You're not holding on to junk, you're holding on to pieces of your life, old clothes, random objects. They're not useful, but they mean something. Throwing them out feels like losing a part of yourself, so you keep them, even when they're suffocating you. Yeah, that's the part people don't get. To them, it's trash. To you, it's memory. Now listen carefully. Surviving this has rules. You learn them fast, or you stay stuck. Rule number 1, avoidance feels good now and ruins you later. Every time you delay, you make the next attempt harder, not easier. Rule number 2, your brain is not broken, but it is overloaded. Stop giving it choices it can't handle. Rule number 3, waiting to feel ready is a scam. You will not feel ready. You either move or you don't, and most days you don't. Let's go back to your day. Morning, you plan to clean, didn't happen. Afternoon, you feel guilty, still didn't happen. Evening, you say tomorrow. You already know that's a lie. Night hits. You're lying there again, looking at it, thinking, I did nothing. And that thought sticks, not just for tonight, for your identity. I'm the kind of person who doesn't finish things. That's how this locks in. Not through the mess, through the story you attach to it. And here's the truth most people never hear. You're not failing because you don't care. You're failing because your brain isn't turning intention into action. That gap, that's the whole problem. Not effort, not intelligence, execution. And until you see it that way, you'll keep attacking the wrong thing, trying to try harder, getting nowhere, blaming yourself, repeat. And yeah, there is a breaking point. Not dramatic, not sudden, just quiet. You stop expecting change. You stop trying. You adapt to the mess. You live around it. And that's when it becomes your normal. Not because you chose it, because you got tired of fighting it. I had a friend, Jason. This was like 2021. Dude had a full-time job, clean car, always smelled like mint gum. You walk into his apartment, bro, there was a Domino's box from, no joke, I think 2 weeks, just sitting there like decoration. And he knew. That's the crazy part. He literally said, I think about throwing it out every time I walk past it. Every time. Didn't do it. That's when it clicked for me. This isn't about not knowing. It's about not starting. And here's the part you need to hear next. Because fixing this doesn't start with cleaning. It starts with breaking the loop next.